Hello everyone, this is Simon from Confide ICT. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at the next logo, which is the Labour Party logo, aka Papa Mama Pikin's logo. So Labour Party was one of the parties that really did very excellently well in the last presidential election in Nigeria. So they really did brilliant jobs in terms of campaigning and others. But let me leave that aside. I'm not here to discuss any political party other than to go about the designing of their various logos. So far so good. On the right side of your screen, you discover some of the logo we have worked on. So we have the Apple logo, which is known as the mark. We have the square ribbon, and we have the people, like a family there. So just like a structure, which comprised of the family, the father, the mother, and the child. So the next one we have to look at is the Labour Party logo. So with that, I will first of all bring out the logo. Select to bring out the logo. We are currently in page 2. I will move to page 1 so that I have a space to work on. Haven't done that, I will select the ellipse tool. Select the ellipse tool to give me a cycle. Hold on to your control to get the perfect cycle. After drawing that cycle, then to make it complete, come and select this ellipse. That's a complete cycle now. Drop my tool first. The next thing I will select it again. The next thing I will be doing is to press the P key so as to place it at the very middle there. Then I will now go back to my tool. It's not a toolbox again. Select my rectangle tool. Then draw a portrait horizontal. Sorry, a portrait rectangle. Portrait rectangle. Because our first idea now is to draw this jar. We are trying to draw this jar that comprises of the family. So haven't done that. Place it at the middle. Use P again to position it properly. Then I will extend it by holding on to Shift so that as I'm making this big, the hood of the rectangle will become big simultaneously. Then having done that, I will now, okay, it has been selected. I will now hit my plus. You can hit your Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Ctrl+C to paste, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. I have hit my plus. Then I will now select it again. Remember I told you there are two types of selection. This selection that you are seeing now, you can see the curved arrow on the edge. This shows that you can actually rotate the object. So I will rotate it to this way. Thereafter, I can now hit Ctrl+D to duplicate. Ctrl+D, D, and D. No, Z. I think I'm good with that one. No, I'm not okay with it. I will try again. Ctrl+Z. Let me try this one again. Delete. Okay, Ctrl+Z. Plus. Or better still Ctrl+Z. No, let me delete. Make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, like that. Then I haven't done that. I want to make it a little bit smaller again. While I press my P to put it at the very middle. Then I'll now hit plus again. Plus. Select the other selection which comprises of the curved arrows. Which for me to rotate. Then I will place it here. I'll go back to my keyboard. Ctrl+D, Ctrl+D, D. I will leave it this way. It's okay. Then I'm now trying to select that cycle inside. We select this cycle inside. control page home, control home. I will select the control home, then select my white color. So as you can see now, the jar is ready. Then we are now left with the picture. That is good. So we're now left with the picture. Where do we get the picture? The picture is in my desktop. Let me import the picture from my desktop. Control I to import. Can see the import here. Look at the import. Control I. I will now select my desktop using my file. It now take it to File Explorer, and automatically we are trying to explore to locate the picture we want. Where is our picture? Okay, here it goes. I will double click it, then drag one, then yes, click on the empty space there one, then drag, click and drag, click, don't release the key, then drag. Then I successfully imported the picture, reduce it. Let me try to measure if it will be okay. Let me still reduce it a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay now. So now what I will now do next is to power clip it. I have selected the picture. I will hold on to my I will right click. In your PC, be it a desktop or a laptop, you can either left click your mouse or right click your mouse. There are two ways you can click. You can either right click or you left click. So sometimes when they just say click, they are trying to tell you that it is left click. When they are not specifying it, telling you to right click, you know that you have to right click. So I have right click and I move it inside the cycle there. I have released it. So do you see the option here? Say move here, copy here, power clip inside, add rollover, add to rollover or cancel. Then I want to power clip, I will power clip it. You can see the papa, mama, and Peking inside. I'm not still convinced. On Control Z, I want to make it a little bit bigger so that it can occupy the whole of it. I'm trying to extend it. Right click again, try again now. Then release, power clip. Fine, I'm okay with it like this. Successfully, we are able to place the picture inside the stuff. Then what do I do next? Then I want to draw another cycle. I could have actually used this cycle. Okay, let me use that cycle. For your simplicity, let me draw another cycle to make it easier for you. Then select another cycle, holding on to Control. Hold on to Control, then I hit my P. Then make it a complete cycle. Make it bigger again. So that's fine. So I will just keep it aside first. The one that I have done so far, like this one, the cycle that contain the family, I will now remove. I want to remove the outline by coming to this remove outline. Then I right click. The outline is gone. Even this one, right click, the outline is Control Z. I think I have to select all of them. Select all, right click, the outline equally gone. We cannot see it because defaultly the working page is white. So to make it easier for us, let's put a blue. Control page down to take it to the back, or you come to this arrange order and to back of page. So this is it. So let's leave it like this first, so that we will be seeing it as we are working. So I continue. Let me continue. Then what is next? Okay, I want to place this. Okay, just P to give it, to place it at the appropriate place. Control home now. I'm looking for our line. Okay, that is it. Let me keep this one first. We already know that some things are there at the end of it, or we place it at the back because of what I want to put at the top. Let me type now. Now say Labour Party. We are almost done though. Capital letter Labour, Labour, Labour Party, party. We have for whatever. Okay, Control A to select the whole of the text, and K. Fine, we are able to break it apart. Select both of the text. Okay, now you can extend it. Fine. So what do we do next? We have to reduce it a little bit. We have to move this Labour Party on top of this place now. So how do we go about it? We now select the text we want to place at the top. Select it. Then use this text fit to path. Come to this fit to path. Select it. Then you can see now that the text is big. I think it's too big for my liking anyway. Control Z. Let's reduce the font a little bit. It's 77. Let's make it at least 50. 60 is fine. 60. But 50 is still 55. 55 is fine. Then go back to text. Fit to path. Take it here. Then click on it to release it. That is about that. Then on the other side, what text? Okay, 55. This one should also be 55. Select it, make it 55. 55. Enter. Then fit to path again. Fit to path. Text fit to path. Then we just extend a little bit. By the time we place it inside, it will be at the same line with the upper one. Place it here for now, but I want to rotate it. We come there, then we rotate it. We show it. You can see mirror now. We mirror horizontally now. We already mirrored it horizontally. Now it's now left for us to do it vertically again. Mirror it vertically. So that's about that. So it's now left for us. I hope this thing. Control Z. Let's try again. It's too close to this very cycle. I wouldn't want it to be too close to it. Let's try again. Select it. Fit to path. Yes, I prefer it this way. Keep it here. Then mirror horizontally, then mirror vertically. I mean, it's okay like this. So what do we do next? Select the cycle, hit Ctrl K to break the text apart, to remove the cycle from there, because that is what is holding the text to make it curve. Delete it now. We don't want the cycle again. Have we booted this text? We have not. Let's boot it now. Fine. So can I come with pick this one now? Okay. Let's first of all, I think there's something we need to do. Okay, if it is for us to do it one after the other, we do it that way. I mean P. I mean this very one. Okay, let's select them now to make them white. This, select this. This should have what I was trying to do. I wanted to do it at once, but if I should do it the way it is now, I already missed the process. If I do it the way it is, some stuff will be affected. So white. Labour Party is, the text is white. White. Then we now try to reduce this a little bit to take it to the middle. Then copy the blue. We are working on the blue now because we want to color it, give it red and green background. So I'm now using another, what I did earlier, I just selected the blue background, make it a little bit tiny, then I copy and paste it. So I will select the right one has been selected, make it green. The left one now will now be red. I think that red is too light. Let's hold on to the red color palette, try to make it a little bit blacker. Selecting that one. What about the green? Let's check if we can adjust the color, make it darker. Let's see. Okay, so like I said, I don't like working with outline. Let me remove the outline. Outline is gone. This one, the outline is gone. So at this meeting I will say, congratulations to you, we have successfully drawn the logo of the Labour Party. Reduce it further. The logo of the Labour Party, Papa, Mama, Peking. So at this juncture, I will say congratulations to you if you follow this tutorial. At this medium, I will say thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can always be the first person to receive any video from us. At this medium, I will say thank you. See you in our next tutorial. Have a nice day.